My name is Elena Medrano. Today is September 17, 2017, and I'm going to talk to you about some tissue in our body. The first one is epithelial tissue, and it protects the body by forming a layer of cells that act as a barrier between internal and external environments. Epithelial tissue is found all over our skin and also in the respiratory tract, and it lines cavities, vessels, and glands. Some examples of the epithelial tissue are ciliated, exchange, protective, transporting, and secretory. The types of epithelial tissue are based on their function. The ciliated are found in the upper respiratory tract and the female reproductive tract. The exchange are found in the lungs and the vessels. Protective tissue is found in the skin and the mouth. Transporting is found in the intestines, kidneys, and some exocrine glands. Secretory tissue is found in the exocrine glands, as far as sweat, saliva, and the pancreas, and endocrine glands, which are the thyroid and the gonads. The next type of tissue is the connective tissue. Connective tissue is it provides support for internal tissues and organs, and it's characterized by extensive extracellular matrix. It consists of water and protoglycans and protein fibers. They are described as fixed because they do not move. And some types of connective tissue include loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, adipose tissue, blood, and supportive connective tissue. The loose connective tissue is elastic, and it lies under the skin and found around small glands. Dense connective tissue is elastic and strong, and it includes tendons, ligaments, and tissues that cover muscles and nerves. Adipose tissue is a fatty tissue, and in adults it's white fat, and the brown fat tissue helps regulate temperature in infants. The next type is blood, and it's a mobile connective tissue, and it is called plasma. And then the last type of connective tissue is supporting tissue, and it includes cartilage and bone. Cartilage doesn't have a direct blood supply, but through extracellular matrix, nutrients can diffuse into the cells. The next type of muscle tissue is the muscle tissue, and there's three. One is smooth, two is cardiac, and the last one is skeletal. Smooth muscle is found in the walls of hollow organs as the intestines and the stomach. The cardiac muscle is only found in the heart, and it contains one nucleus, and it helps pump blood to the body. The skeletal muscle generates heat. It's under voluntary control. It's attached to bones by tendons, and it's bound together by connective tissue, and it communicates with nerves and the blood vessels. The last type of tissue we are going to talk about is the nervous tissue, and that one is it includes neurons, and it transmits information from one portion of the body to another. Neurons are the main cells of the central processing units of the body, which are the brain and the spinal cord. It helps everything work together and tells our body what to do. And it also includes the glial, or I think I'm pronouncing that right, cells that surround neurons and provide support and insulation between them. Thank you.